Son?
Oh
Oh no, did the cars fall down?
no! The cars.
Show me the cars.
Oh no!
Oh, he fell down. Say crash.
This one.
Choo-choo train. Oh, did he fall down?
Because so now.
What is this?
Please. Oh no!
Oh, it fell down?
The cars.
Oh, the cars fell down. Can you dance for me? Yeah, dance, dance. Show me how you wiggle your bum. Oh, good. More dancing? Good. Can you say train?
The what?
Train.
What?
Plane?
What? No, what?
Can you say grandma?
What?
It's close, kind of. Where are we going?
What's this one?
Another choo-choo train. That's good. Thank you. Can you... Oh, plane. Can you blow me a kiss? Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you. Do you have an owie on your hand? Kiss it better. Oh, all better. The train. Can you do a somersault? Over here. Show me how you do it. Put your head down. Right there. Go. Yeah, go. Here. Right here. Yeah, do it. Ready, set, go.
Go.
Go. Go all the way. Go, go, go. Do it again.
No.
No? Okay, we'll have to show off your tricks later. Do you love Thomas the Train?
Pack.
Park?
Put that pack.
Do you go to the park?
Pack.
Do you feed the geese?
Geese.
Say goose.
Goose.
What else is at the park?
Pack.
Are there ducks?
Yes.
Yes.
Wow.
Wow.
Put that a princess.
Yeah, I know. Do you like bubbles?
Bubbles.
You do? You like bubbles?
Yes.
What do you do with bubbles?
The bubble.
Uh-huh. You pop, pop, pop.
Yes.
Say pop.
Pop.
Good. Are you cute and handsome? Yeah. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye, love you.